PC gaming is red hot in 2020, and along with that, we've seen a huge rise in a related hobby, showing off your gaming PC. All over social media, PC gamers are impressing their friends and making their enemies jealous with photos and videos of their high-powered rigs. After you post just the right photo of your new gaming PC build, it's time to sit back and let the upvotes, emojis, and marriage proposals come rolling in. Of course, having a system packed with the latest hardware is a nice start, but if you really want people to know that you're a serious gamer, you need to make sure you have the right sort of lighting in your PC. Due to the way in which the red, green, and blue sections of the visible light spectrum interact with electrons, properly deployed RGB lighting can increase performance by over 200%. But what about the people out there who don't have a brag-worthy PC in their homes? Whether due to hardware shortages or maybe living in a strictly PlayStation orthodox household, sometimes aspiring PC gamers just can't put together the system of their dreams, and they're forced to make do with more modest systems. We understand. It's okay. Not everyone has the time or technical know-how to build or upgrade their home systems. But don't worry, Newegg is here to help. With our F4CAD3 InstaPC case mod, it's an instant, easy-to-install upgrade for your underpowered home PC that can give you the look of a true gaming rig in seconds. Newegg's engineers used bleeding-edge tech to create this marvel, combining optical microstructures, digital image processing, and the latest in lenticular science. Through these techniques, they captured a top-of-the-line gaming system from the system builders at ABS, complete with an Asus 2080 Ti GPU, a Corsair H100i RGB Platinum liquid cooler, and, most importantly, plenty of RGB lighting. The result is a breakthrough that's going to change the way we shop for, build, and brag about our gaming PCs. With this new case mod, the pride that comes with a blinged-out, ultra-powerful, expertly built gaming PC is accessible to more people than ever before. It's compatible with a wide variety of case sizes and styles and offers seamless performance in photos, videos, or even in person. It's also better for the environment than a traditional gaming rig, since it requires no electricity to keep it running all night long. Newegg's new F4CAD3 InstaPC case mod. It has all you need to inspire jealousy and rack up valuable upvotes on social media. And it can be yours starting at just $2,999.99.